Good evening, everyone. Good evening, sir. So, this is my presentation regarding the vices and drug prevention. So, this is my digital poster. So, it has a slogan about clear mind, bright future, stand strong against drugs and vices. Clear mind, bright futures stand strong against drugs and vices. Vices are habits or activities that cause moral or physical harm to an individual and society, ranging from excessive gambling to illegal drug use, drug abuse specifically alters brain function, damages physical health, and creates psychological dependency. Both vices and drug abuse disrupt personal development, strain family dynamics, and frequently lead to broader criminal issues. So, why do I emphasize a clear mind? Because clarity is the foundation of resilience. When individuals reject vices, they protect their health, maintain emotional stability, and make decisions grounded in long term goals rather than short term escapes. So, on a broader scale, a community of clear minded individuals experience lower crime rates, stronger social bonds, and an environment where young people can truly thrive. Effective prevention works through a three-tiered approach. Primary prevention stops harm before it begins through education and awareness. Secondary prevention targets high-risk individuals early to intervene before habits escalate. Finally, tertiary prevention focuses on rehabilitation, probation, and community reintegration, ensuring those who have fallen into these traps get a real second chance to rebuild their identity and contribute positively to society. Prevention is not just a policy or program, it is a daily choice and a collective responsibility. So, by choosing healthy alternatives, supporting loved ones, and actively saying no to our harmful influences, we safeguard our personal goals and our community's future. So, let's remember our core takeaways. Clear mind, bright future. Stand strong against drugs and vices. Thank you.